In today's video, I'll show you how to download Pokémon Infinite Fusion on your PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open your browser, then open Discord. Click the link in the description below, which is the invite link to the Pokémon Infinite Fusion server. A screen like this will appear. Now click Accept Invite. Skip any questions that appear, then click Finish. You are now inside the Pokémon Infinite Fusion server. Next, click Downloads on the left side of your screen. Here, you will find the preloaded version of the Pokémon Infinite Fusion installer. Click on it. Then click the main link below the quick guide to download the zip file. You will see an option to download the Infinite Fusion setup. Click it and download the installer. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and you will see the Pokémon Infinite Fusion setup file. Click on it, then select Extract All. Install the setup file and you're done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!